What's up, everyone? I'm actually gonna be here today to unveil a new product that I just received not too long ago. And it's actually a rear view mirror for your car, but it's an extended rear view mirror for your car. And I'll actually leave the link in the description below to get one if you're interested. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be the topic of today's video. This is actually the rear view mirror that I'm speaking of. As you can see, this is the back of it. It's very cool. It allows you to install it in your rear view mirror by extending these prongs up and down here, and that will allow you to get relatively close to a bigger view from your rear view mirror, and you'll be able to see vehicles coming from the side, and without having to use your side view mirror as much. I had one in my previous vehicle, and unfortunately I traded the vehicle away with it in there, so I ended up missing out on it. So practically this one is a replacement for the one that I previously had, because since they're universal, they fit in practically any car. You can pretty much put them in any make and model of car that you currently have, but just keep in mind that they don't have some of the cars that you guys currently have may have front view cameras, so that might not work. And also it may have some of them also have rear view cameras as well. That might not work as well, because this is strictly analog. There's no digital aspect to this whatsoever. It's just this just allows you to get a wider view of the camera, so to speak. So not camera, get a wider view of your rear view mirror, pretty much. So you'll be able to see stuff, cars coming on both lanes, depending on how you position the mirror, and it won't be a problem whatsoever. So I want you guys to actually check it out. It's in the link. It will be in the description below, like I mentioned earlier. And also I'll be showing you exactly how to install it in a little bit, so just bear with me. And I love this product because it allows me to get a better view when I'm driving. I prefer using that instead of the rear view mirrors, side view mirrors, sorry, to actually see cars coming, because it gives me a wider, like I mentioned, it gives me a wider view of traffic on the highway, on the road, pretty much. So yeah, that's what the plus of this is, and I pretty much love this particular product. I'm gonna be installing it in my car very shortly, so just bear with me, and I'll be able to show you guys how it works and how you put it on. It's probably gonna be vlog style, so I'm gonna be using one hand, so just bear with me, and I'll be able to unveil it to you guys. All right, thanks, bye. Yeah, all right, guys. I'm actually in the car as we speak. As you can see, I'm actually in my car, and I'm about to install the rear view mirror. It should take me no longer than 2 minutes. Just bear with me, and I'll show you guys exactly how this works, and how easy it is to install, and how cool it is once I install it. So like I had mentioned earlier, this is the rear view mirror in a nutshell. This is the back of it here. I'm gonna put it on the seat so you guys can get a better view of it. This is the back of it. These actually move up and down, and they're able to fit into the rear view mirror, which is right up here. As you can see, I don't have, it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't mine is pretty analog as well, my rear view mirror, that is. So therefore I felt the need to just put this on so I can get a wider view, and you could see how wide my view is from that point. So I'll be able to get a better sight without using my side view mirrors here. When it's raining, it looks kind of bad. Like a day like today looks kind of bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you guys exactly what it's capable of. And I'm gonna position it the right way. And I'll also the price for these can range between $9.99 to about $18. This particular one I got for about $9.99, which wasn't a bad price at all. I'll also leave the link below. Don't forget to subscribe as well. As you can see, I'm actually filming this from my phone, so just bear with me. And I'm going to be doing a review of this particular phone as well, because I just got it not too long ago, about a couple of weeks ago to be exact. So be on the lookout for that. Subscribe to the channel so you'll be able to get new review videos coming up very, very soon. So here we go. That's that in a nutshell. So pretty much what you do is take this and squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. The one side is already in. Bear with me, I'm doing it with my left hand. Now it's in. And just like that, the rear view mirror is installed onto the car. And now when you look, you'll be able to see, I can see everything around me. I can see my sides over here, my side right here, this way. I get a wide range view, especially when I'm backing out my driveway. It's much easier to do so. Even though I have a rear view camera on the monitor here, in my Lincoln, it's much easier to just, I prefer using my rear view mirror. I'm an old school driver, that's why. Yeah, so actually this is pretty much it in a nutshell. I have it here. The only problem with these is when you have air fresheners, things of that nature, it's much harder to take it off. So normally what I do when I have something like this, when I'm putting it on, I stretch it out even wider. So I pull on the elastic a little bit longer so it could actually fit all the way around. And when I'm taking it off, I just cut it off just to get it off the rear view mirror. But obviously in this state, you don't have the only thing you can have on there. They'll probably permit you to have an air freshener onto the rear view mirror. That's about all you can put on there, and that's even a stretch sometimes. So yeah, so for the most part, I don't normally have the air fresheners there. I normally put them somewhere else, but yeah, I'll probably be putting them somewhere else. But if anything, that's how you would go and add the air freshener. But as you could see, this is a great 360 view. If you have children, you could be able to see your children back there. Yeah, so that's actually it in a nutshell. So that's that right there. That's a great view of actually my the rear. I get control of everything back there. I could see my kids if I have them in the car, and if anything's happening back there, I can always go back and settle that problem. So I would definitely recommend you guys getting one if you have an analog rear view mirror, and all the stuff is actually coming from your monitor here, like your rear view camera and all of that stuff. So yeah, that would actually help a lot. And same thing with your front view camera. So this one, the front and rear view camera comes on the monitor, so it actually helps out in that facet. So therefore this actually fits perfect onto it, and I love it. And yeah, like you can see, it was only 2 seconds to install. It takes 2 seconds to install, and I installed it left-handed. So I want to say thank you guys for checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And enjoy. Have a good day, guys. Peace.